The term abominable describes something that arouses hatred or is disgusting and detestable. Synonyms include hateful, despicable, and loathsome, while antonyms are praiseworthy, delightful, and charming. It helps in grasping the emotional weight and context in which abominable is used. Consequence refers to a result or effect of an action, highlighting its importance. It is synonymous with outcome and significance, emphasizing the impact of decisions. In contrast, antonyms like cause and source point to the origin of events, not their results. Dole refers to distributing resources in small amounts, often as charity. As a verb, it means to ration or allot. As a noun, it signifies a handout, such as money or food. It helps in grasping the nuances of resource allocation and charitable actions. Formulate means to express something clearly and systematically, often by devising or inventing a method. It involves defining, articulating, framing, or specifying ideas or plans. This process is crucial in fields like science and business, where precision and clarity are essential for success. A memento is an object that serves as a reminder of a person, place, or event. It can be a keepsake, souvenir, or token, often holding sentimental value. These items help preserve memories, acting as tangible links to past experiences and emotions. Null and void refers to something without legal force or effect, meaning it is no longer binding. Synonyms include canceled, repealed, and abolished. In contrast, antonyms are in effect and binding, indicating a valid and enforceable status. A panorama offers a wide, unobstructed view of an area, providing a complete survey of a subject. It can also refer to a continuously changing scene or a range or spectrum. Synonymously, it is an overview, capturing the essence of a subject in its entirety. Pry means to pull loose by force, or to look closely and inquisitively, often being nosy. It involves actions like snooping or meddling, where one might intrude into matters not their own. It helps in recognizing behaviors that may be intrusive or overly curious. Resourceful individuals excel in problem-solving, demonstrating inventiveness and skillfulness. They effectively navigate challenges by finding clever solutions. Synonyms include inventive, ingenious, and skillful, while antonyms are uninventive, incompetent, and dull-witted. This adaptability is crucial for success in dynamic environments. Subsequent, an adjective describes something that comes after in time, place, or order. Synonyms include later, following, and ensuing, while antonyms are previous, prior, and preceding. It helps in grasping sequences and timelines effectively.